Through our work with regulated organisations on GCP, we notice time and time again that clients are looking to understand, firstly, whether they are meeting their security compliance objectives within Google Cloud, and especially how to use GCP services to deliver these security controls. So PA developed SACAF jointly with Google to provide a structured way to understand GCP security controls that is mapped directly to financial and other industry standards and regulations. Although the framework was created with the primary objective of helping customers in the financial services sector, the core principles really apply to any organisation using GCP. There are two main ways we see customers using the framework. The first is with organisations that have already established a presence on Google Cloud but want to gauge how they're doing against best practice. With these organisations, we can help customers plan a security roadmap to get them from where they are to where they need to be. The second way we use the framework is with customers developing greenfield solutions. We work with them to shape their enterprise foundations on Google Cloud in a way that allows them to meet their security objectives from the start. Knowing you're secure from the start allows you to scale and grow faster. Addressing security at the foundations of your architecture gives you the confidence to build at pace and at scale without worrying about needing to re-engineer or make fundamental changes later on. This helps you be more resilient, build more scalable applications, and grow your business. The SACAF framework is practical and implementation focused and advises how to apply security principles like the principle of least privilege specifically to Google Cloud services. It gives best practice secure solution patterns addressing commonly required use cases. So this is not a box-ticking exercise. It's designed to help organisations become more resilient and help them make cloud a security upgrade to their business. And everything's tied back to the control framework so that you can show you're meeting your compliance objectives. I think the main lesson is to shift security to the left. That means getting your security and compliance requirements planned in from the very start, and then use automation to deliver consistency and remove human error. Although this needs some upfront investment, it reduces the overall cost of security long term by reducing rework and improving traceability, ultimately delivering compliance faster. SACAF provides an accelerated way to apply this secure by design approach to GCP.